Do not pay for this app, I swear. This is offensive. I paid for it so that you don't have to. A few months ago, there was this app that was trending all over, like TikTok, Instagram, whatever, everywhere. It's called Epik AI. So today I decided that I'm gonna try it again. First I'll show you what my previous results look like. Here are just some of the previous ones. They all kind of ended up looking more like my sisters than like me, but like I don't know what I expected. So today I decided that I'm going to try it again. So earlier today I went in to that app and I selected that I wanted to do a new one. So I had to upload photos, and uploading photos is the hardest part because it won't accept like any of the ones that have your face in it for some reason. And I don't know, you'll see. It just like kept telling me that it wouldn't accept some of them, so I just started pressing random ones of me to see if they would work. And then once I got through selecting, I think 8 is what I chose. Yeah, I chose 8 photos, selected my gender, and then I swear the first time I tried it, it was not $12, but I guess the normal stuff is sold out, so I paid for it so that you don't have to. And then I had to wait 17 or so minutes. So now it says that my AI yearbook is ready, and I haven't looked at the second batch yet, so that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully these ones turn out better because I was really upset last time. Okay, these ones look more like me. This is offensive. Okay. Oh my god, why is my face so big? This one's okay. I do not have that big of boobs though. Oh, I look so disappointed in all of these. This one looks just like my sister, but with light eyebrows. This one looks more like me, I think. It still looks so fake. It just had to give me the dark circles under my eyes. Ugh. What am I looking at? Oh my god, I look so pissed off. Oh, I hate this. Oh, I hate this. Oh my god, these are so bad. Do not pay for this app, I swear. I look like a mouse. I mean, I know I have big teeth or small lips or something, but whatever. Why is my head so small in this one? Why is my head so small? That looks like my mom. Oh my goodness. Why does it think I have dark hair? Like, I have blonde hair. Oh, I was prom queen. Cute. Oh my god. This is my Trisha Paytas cosplay. I love this one. No. And then this is the last photo. And that is the AI yearbook. If you think that is worth $12.99 Canadian, go for it. I don't think that it's worth it. I think you could probably find a graphic artist who could do a much better job for you. If you think this is worth $12.99 Canadian or probably like $9.99 US, then go for it. Download the app and get your AI generated yearbook photos. Sorry, Mona. And get your AI generated yearbook photos, but if you want something that's going to be more accurate, I definitely recommend looking around for a graphic artist who can do it for you, and you can probably connect with them and get feedback, and that'll probably be a lot better. And I actually recommend doing that instead, because I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. I thought it was kind of interesting, but I definitely won't be doing that a third time. I think it's a waste of money, so at least I wasted my $12 and you didn't. Thanks for watching.